Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by laying out columns, dates in A, raw values in B, running total in C. First actionable step, convert any pasted numbers to numeric format, use value or paste special if needed. Once done, click the first data cell in C and type the base formula that references the corresponding B cell. Make sure to lock only what's necessary later. Don't overuse dollar yet. This gets the cumulative process started and prevents type errors that break the chain. Next, you build the running logic. In C2, enter equals B2 for the base row, or if you start one row lower, use equals C1 plus B2 to add sequentially. Once that works, expand it. Drag the fill handle down or apply array formula for dynamic ranges. Array formula lets new rows auto-update without manual fills. Also wrap the formula with if, len, B2 equals 0, or IFR to prevent displaying 0 or errors. Doing this ensures continuous updates and cleaner presentation. Finally, you lock any absolute references needed. Use $1 for constants or named ranges for clarity. Once set, insert and delete rows to confirm the running total adjusts correctly. Make sure array formula covers the full column if you want automatic growth. If numbers look wrong, inspect cell formats, remove thousand separators or stray text, and force recalculation by editing a cell or pressing Ctrl+R. If errors persist, trace precedents or temporarily copy formulas as values to isolate the issue.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.